I'm always looking for ways to save time making videos, so I gave HeyGen.com a shot. It's powerful, but there are some things you need to know first. Let's dive in. This is HeyGen.com, an AI video generator that lets you create presenter-style videos without needing a camera, mic, or editing skills. You can use one of their avatars or even upload your own face and voice to create a digital clone. Let's start with what I really like about it. Super simple interface. Writing scripts, picking avatars, and editing slides is as easy as dragging and dropping. High quality avatars. Some of the newer ones look shockingly real, especially in professional settings. Voice cloning. Upload a few minutes of your voice and it creates an AI clone that sounds natural and smooth. Multilingual support. You can generate videos in over 40 languages, and the lip sync adapts automatically. Templates. Tons of ready-to-go templates for explainer videos, product promos, internal training, and more, but it's not perfect. So here's what I don't love. Pricing. It's not the most affordable. You'll need a higher tier plan if you want access to the best features like face cloning or longer video credits. Limited emotional range. Avatars are realistic, but they can still feel robotic or stiff during expressive scripts. Rendering delays. If your video has multiple avatars or longer runtime, expect a few minutes of processing, and sometimes small bugs. Quick pros and cons. Pros: beginner-friendly interface, realistic avatars, voice plus face cloning, past multilingual generation, time-saving templates. Cons: on the pricier side. Some avatars feel robotic, render delays on complex projects. So, is HeyGen worth trying? If you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or just want to make clean, fast videos without being on camera, it's one of the best AI tools out there right now. And if you want the best deal available, scan the QR code on screen or hit the link in the description below. Depending when you're watching, there may be free trials or promo pricing.